Hey there. Welcome back to our series on the classification of numbers. In the last video, we talked about natural numbers. Today, we're going one step further and talking about whole numbers. Remember these? These are natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. They're the counting numbers, the ones we first learn when we start math. But now, let's say hello to a new friend, 0. When we add 0 to the set of natural numbers, we get something new, and that new set is called whole numbers. Whole numbers are just like natural numbers, but with 0 added at the start. So, whole numbers equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. No negatives, no decimals, no fractions, just whole, clean numbers. Think of it like this. Natural numbers are part of whole numbers. Whole numbers are part of a bigger number family too. But we'll talk about that in the next video. Quick check. Let's have a short quiz to review our understanding. Is 5 a whole number? Yes, it is a whole number. Is 0 a whole number? Yes, it is a whole number. Is -1 a whole number? No, it is not a whole number. So to wrap it up, whole numbers are 0 and all the counting numbers after that. They're super simple and super important because they help us build toward all the other types of numbers.
In the next video, we're going to meet integers. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more easy math.